Hey guys, in WordPress post section, if you have two posts on the same date, you can see the date in one post, but the other post you won't see the date. So as you can see, the 10th November 2022, I have two posts. So the first post, the date has been showing, but the second post, the date has been hidden because it is not showing. So it's a problem. So let's see how we can solve this. If you face this problem, you have to write echo get the date. If you use that date function, it will echo for, only one time at one time, um, for a post. But if you echo get the post, then you will get the date however you want, whenever you want. So now reload this. Okay. First post 10th November 2022, second post 10th November 2022. Thank you.